Welcome back. In this video, I will guide you how you can add dollar currency symbol in Excel. This is pretty simple and easy. Let's get started. For example, you want to add a dollar sign with these values. For this, you need to select the all values and then you need to right click and click on the format cells. And under the format cell in the number tab, you need to click on this currency. And here you need to drop down and select the dollar symbol, and you can increase the decimal up to 3, 4, 5, whatever your need is. So I would recommend to add 2 decimals. Click OK to proceed, and here you can see that. And if you want to clear the all content, again you need to click on the right click, go to the format cells, click on this symbol and click none and OK to apply, and the dollar sign is removed. So this way you can easily add dollar currency symbol in Excel. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.